Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of breakdown. A mechanical failure. For example, breakdowns could totally disrupt production. The second definition of breakdown. A failure of a relationship or system. For example, a breakdown in military discipline. American pronunciation. Breakdown. Breakdown. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Breakdown. Say. Breakdown. Breakdown means mechanical failure. Breakdown. Breakdown. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. This lack of foresight caused numerous mechanical breakdowns. Now, repeat after me. This lack of foresight caused numerous mechanical breakdowns. The second practice. Most of the contenders in the JWRC suffered mechanical breakdowns, punctures or accidents. Now, repeat after me. Most of the contenders in the JWRC suffered mechanical breakdowns, punctures or accidents.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.